Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make an infused oil that you can use for your hair and skin. This is a wonderful oil that contains some important spices, vegetables that you can find in your kitchen. So stay tuned and find out how I make this. So to make this oil, I'll be making use of fresh carrots, which I've already washed. So I'm going to peel the carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene, vitamin C, which can easily be absorbed by the body. It can also help to boost collagen. It will help to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. It is also helpful for treating dry skin and so many other skin issues. So when I'm done grating the carrots, I'm going to spray it out to dry. You can decide to dry it with hydrator, sun or oven. So another ingredient I'll be using is Amla. So I'm going to grate the Amla. While grating the Amla, be careful not to grate the seed. You can also decide to cut it into smaller pieces. It has some important benefit for the hair and skin. It will help to slow down aging, promote the new cell production. It will help to condition the hair. It will boost hair growth and also protect the hair from external damage. So when I'm done grating, I'm going to spray it out to dry. So finally, the Amla has dried. So this is the dried Amla. I'm going to set it aside. And here I have the dried carrots. This is the grated carrots. It has dried. So I'm also going to set it aside. I'll be showing you how to make this wonderful oil. To make this wonderful oil, you can use sunflower oil, almond oil, coconut oil. So I will start by adding the dried carrots into a clean jar. I'll also add the Amla. I have about 3 tablespoons of Amla. So when I'm done adding, I will set aside. I'll be showing you a wonderful ingredient I'll be adding. I'll be making use of Star Anise, which I'm going to crack and crush into smaller pieces so that I can crush the seed. Star Anise is a wonderful spice that has anti-inflammatory, anti-aging and antifungal properties. It is useful for hair and for skin care. Star Anise has exfoliating and moisturizing effects. It can be helpful in treating skin problems and also for improving hair growth. So I've added this Star Anise into the jar. I'll be adding enough oil. I'm making use of grapeseed oil. So feel free to use any oil of your choice like sunflower oil, almond oil, coconut oil. So I will add enough oil, stir to mix properly, then I'll cover the jar. You can decide to leave this to sit for about 1 week or more, or if you need it faster, you can make use of the double boiler method. So I allow the oil to infuse for 3 days. So I'm going to make use of the double boiler method. The double boiler method will help me to extract all the nutrients from the spices and vegetable into the oil. So I'll place the jar into a pot of water. I'll allow it to boil for about 30 minutes or more. Then I will leave it to sit to cool before I will strain to get the oil. So when the oil has cooled down, I'm going to strain to get the oil. You can notice that the color has changed. So with a strainer, I will strain to get the oil. Finally, the oil is ready. You can store this in a jar or in a bottle or any container of your choice and use this oil for your hair, for your skin. You can apply this oil on your hair, leave it to sit overnight, then you can rinse out or wash the next day. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this oil using carrot, amla and star anise. This oil will last for a long time, and I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.